Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today we have a gorgeous Harley-Davidson Softail Crossbones. For the full information on this motorcycle, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112 as for John or Dave. Condition wise, this bike is in great shape. Runs like a top. Has plenty of accessories. On the odometer, 21,577 miles. These pipes sound great in person. Just in case you missed it again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112 as for John or Dave. We appreciate it and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks and have a great day.